SweBend's expertise is solving forming challenges that standard machines cannot handle. For spray engineering, that challenge was joggling pressure vessel cylinders. Joggle the cylinder body, and you create stiffening grooves that strengthen the shell, make it rounder, and let the wall absorb pressure and thermal stress in service. Joggle the cylinder ends, and you form the stepped flange used to join two sections before welding. One operation, two purposes. The JM-140's portable pendant control lets the operator follow the forming process from any angle around the cylinder, adjusting in real time without leaving the work. The JM-140, a heavy-duty joggling machine built around profiled rolls and a horizontal forming operation that lets cylinders load from the side. Adjustable vertical and horizontal support rolls lock the cylinder in position throughout the forming cycle, eliminating misalignment and ensuring even, accurate joggles every time. The machine handles mild steel up to 15 millimeters thick, forming cylinders from 1 to 5 meters in diameter, with 35 tons of forming force delivered through a variable speed hydraulic drive. Intelligent precision, Swedish craftsmanship, SweBend, built around your bend.